2025 New Robot Wrapping Machine R600 New loose center of gravity design, integrated machine base frame, new aluminum column by 4,000 ton stamping, easy operation control panel, new double chain and brush less motor drive, new press stretch film carriage, safe working area guided by rainbow warning light, machine working status guided by LED light, new ergonomic handle, light music during moving, fast setup design, 1 person 5 minutes, finish installation, mobile charging station, maintenance-free safe-sealed acid battery, no transportation restrictions, "60 seconds fast charge battery." Allow charge the battery in the working area. Safety sensor on film carriage for changing film. One-click start. New rubber-coated pre-stretch roller. Radar safety sensor. Contactless stopping machine. Mechanical safety sensor is the last security guarantee. Automatic cutting film.